If you're got me on Facebook, you've seen what we were eating. So it was pretty good. I know some people don't like or haven't ever tried what I was eating, which was bugs. But yeah, I had some bees, hornet larvae, and that was pretty good. And so anyways, here we go. We are gonna go for a little walk and go see what we got going on here. Sometimes you get places and there's a lot of people, but it's what is it? Oh, it's Monday. It's a Monday, so we probably caught it at the right time. So that's a good thing. This right here is where we had dinner at, right here at this restaurant behind me. Yep. Got shops in here, all the types of dresses and clothing that they wear. We got Cece down here. She is leading the crowd, checking everything out. Yeah. Oh, that is like a smoked. That is smoked duck.
Where?
Right there. Smoked goose. Ni hao. And this is all cooked for tonight. Pretty high mountains here. I don't know how many meters they are, but probably 1,000 meters at least.
Crab. They have little crab.
Little crabs. Looks like grasshopper too.
See, oh yeah, that's the bug.
Those are grasshoppers.
Grasshopper. Oh.
I'm gonna try some of them later.
Okay, tonight you can try.
That's pretty cool. All right. Going to check out a waterfall. It's called the Flow Waterfall.
Pretty clear the water.
Yeah. Yeah, this is kind of cool. This is one of the pictures we've seen on the internet.
Oh.
Going down through here. We got all kinds of little restaurants along this thing. What do we got here? Hey honey, they got your tea.
Mm-hmm.
We got hotel up there. Yep. There's it's in a cave? Yep, butterfly, yep. You gotta go up through here. So we got the entrance to the falls. So there it is. Coming off the top.
How much water is
No. So it's not the tallest, but it is one of the tallest. I think it was at 215 meters or something like that. Right. Yeah, so this is the waterfalls, the main one. That's a pretty tall canyon, all the way to the top. Oh yeah. And this is going to wrap up another video with retired Roman Rob. This here is the entrance into the Dehang scenic, one of the areas, the scenic area where we stayed at, and it was great. It was a beautiful place to be. Spent some time. Local food was great, and if you're worried about things like technology, like Wi-Fi and cell signal, all that kind of stuff, it was great. I was able to use my regular China Mobile service. Everything was just great. The hotel was great. It was the perfect little vacation. We enjoyed it very, very much, and we are going to say thank you for watching our videos. Wait for the next one to come. It's on its way. Peace out, everybody. We love you.